Hello everyone, it's Deb Floros for Art Beads. I've got a fun bracelet project. It's the ultimate elephant bracelet. I'm using some amazing double-sided designer check glass beads from the Bead Llama limited edition blend. And I've got a set of seed beads that are going to go with it and create the continuity around the bracelet, some jet black 11/0s and some demi-round 11/0s in a nickel color. Now I'm going to use some Art Beads designer wire. It's a 49 strand. I love it. And I'm also going to use a sterling silver rectangle elephant charm. And this is just my passion, making a fun, simple bracelet, but with beads that just make the bracelet special. I love elephants. A lot of people love elephants. So I'm just going to string on a pattern of the three colors. In this blend, there are white, gray, and black elephants, which are all very neutral, go with everything, and go with all the seasons. The pattern of seed beads is going to be a black 11/0, a nickel demi, and another black 11/0. And that's just going to repeat all the way around the bracelet until you've got all of the elephants on that you want. Now, this will be dependent on how big you want the bracelet or small you want the bracelet. It just so happened to work out for me that I could get an equal number of beads of each color onto my bracelet. Now, I strung them all going on in the same direction, but you could string them on going in different directions if you wanted. They are double-sided, so I think that helps you to understand that they're going to look the same way, whichever direction the beads flip-flop, but you can string them on different ways if you so choose. So I'm going to measure out my bracelet here, and I've got it just right, but I need to leave enough room to add my charm and my closure. And I'm just going to add that charm towards the end of my bracelet. I'm going to use two 4mm jump rings. If I can fit more than one jump ring through a loop, I always try to do that. It adds some extra security and also makes the charm look a little bit more substantive, or it looks like a bail almost in this case. So I'm going to string that directly on, and I'm going to put some seed beads around it so that the continuity continues. And oh gosh, I love how that looks. I'm going to put a bead stopper on, and then I'm going to cut my piece from the spool, and I love the spool on the Art Beads designer jewelry wire. It's so fun. And now all I need are two size 2 crimp tubes and a lobster claw clasp, and I'm going to just create a seed beaded loop. So I'm going to use both kinds of seed beads and very carefully crimp a loop onto one end, and that looks really cool, really fun, and goes with the rest of the look of the bracelet. I'm going to trim off my excess wire and then go to the other side. I'm going to make sure all my gaps are out of the bracelet, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with my seed beads, but I just want to leave one seed bead out so that I can put on my lobster claw. And I'm going to go back through the crimp tube and through those beads that start the bracelet and down through that first elephant bead. And then I'm going to make sure my bracelet is not in a straight line when I crimp, and I'm going to get that closed up and then trim off my excess wire. Oh gosh, I love this bracelet. It's so much fun. You can find everything to make it at artbeads.com. Thanks for watching.